the spaghetti detective reinvented. The new algorithm completely blew me away. You can test it for yourself. Let me show you how. Come to your Obico account and go to print history to find a few prints that actually had a problem, but the old algorithm missed. For example, they missed this one, missed this one. The old algorithm thought that no failure detected. Okay, what you can do is you go to original time lapse. Don't do the detective time lapse. Come to the original time lapse. Click this button, download. Okay, if you come to the new algorithm test page, I'll embed this link in the comments and in the email you will receive, so you can come to this page to test it for yourself. Once you're here, you upload whatever you just downloaded, and once it's done processing, you're gonna see the processed result here. Let me show you a few prints previously missed by the old algorithm and show you how they are caught by the new algorithm. And now shut up, okay? This one actually was caught by the old algorithm, but not until the very end, like here, when the errors was more obvious. But if you look at the new algorithm, even the lighting was no good. It started to catch those tiny little bit of problems, even in like not ideal lighting situation. Okay, this one technically was not a failed print. It did not fail, but there was residues from the previous print, as you can see here. Missed by the algorithm, caught by the new algorithm. Okay, let me show you this one. This is crazy. See, this little tiny ears here, previously completely missed, but now you can see the new algorithm caught it just fine. This is the craziest. This was a long print, and the storage when it was still very bright, but when the failure happens, it was very dark already. So somehow the new algorithm figured out that even if it was so dark, like there's some problem here. It's just crazy. Like I can barely see with my own naked eyes. Well, that was me checking. Yeah. Okay, give it a shot.